They would get it. They knew who I am. But I thought cars that I might describe it. I don't want anybody to have an accident because I'm being silly with the girls.
What's that? Amelia and Bailey, are you guys ready? You guys ready?
And taking
No,
that.
I'm never going to do that.
10 minutes.
And I'm watching.
So you might as well do. We got a talent to do something else, and it comes naturally. And my goodness, do it. Yeah. Not everybody's given those talents.
Coach, which folder was it? Second one or first one?
Second yellow boy in front. Second yellow one. Gotta be on your left. Yeah.
Coach, which folder was it? Second one or first one?
Second yellow boy in front. Second yellow one. Gotta be on your left. Yeah.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
We're good. I figured out who called me. Yeah, I figured it was someone else to come work and not me. So. Called me on Saturday.
One last run in the heat. That's not going to be good for him.
Yeah, that's not
I
good.
don't work there anymore, so I was like, I don't. And now that I'm
Let's go, Sarah! Good start, girl! Strong start, Alex! Go Lions!
Go East! I can't think of.
Sarah York's in this race.
Right
Yeah.
through here, Annalise. Good. Right through here. Annalise.
Give me. Go, Amy. Nice job, girl. 6:30 pace. Good job, Claire. Claire. Good job, Lauren. Good job.
17.
Good job, Sarah. 18. Good job, Sarah. Got to stay right there. Catch these girls. Good job, Sarah. Go, Caitlin. Good job, East. Looking strong. Looking good, girls. Looking good. Pick off some girls.
12, 13. So Lauren's 13.
Let's go, East. Good job, Lauren.
6:58, Lauren. $13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Go.
7:19! 7:19! Hang in there, Sarah!
Go, East.
She's looking tired.
Good. Good, Autumn. You guys determine the team. Let's go. Lisbon, right out. Now use the arm, son. Go by. Come on, Autumn.
Come on, Chelsea, lose! Get that big old pack!
Go after him now. We're halfway done. Good.
You're halfway there, guys. Keep going. Okay, you're up at the hill. Keep going. Go East. Go Lions.
Go, East.
You're halfway done, guys. Keep going.
Go, Clark.
Just drop back about 5 people.
Let's go,
Good job, Lauren. Looking good. Finish strong, Lauren. Good job.
Good, Lauren.
Good job, Sarah. Got you at 20. Looking strong. You're good. You're good. Good job, Sarah. Good job. Don't let him pass you. Good job, Sarah.
Sarah?
Yeah, she's got to catch somebody. You gotta catch him. You got to pass somebody, Sarah. Come on.
Let's go, bro!
You got to pass somebody. Come on. Sprint. Good job, girl. Good job. Good job. Use the hill. Sprint in.
Pump those odds. Come on, Sarah.